Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today will be a full tutorial on how to apply press-on nails. These are nails from my brand, so keep watching. Yeah, these are the nails that I'm fixing for today. So the first thing we are going to do is to buff our natural nails, because your press-on nails need a rough edge to stick on so that the nails can last. So I'm using the buffer to buff each of my nails carefully. You don't want to be rough with it. Carefully buff your nails. And yeah, these nails are actually from my brand, as I mentioned earlier. One thing about me is I like press-on nails. So if you don't have that time to like sit at the salon, maybe you have a very busy schedule, press-on nails can be done at the comfort of your home within few minutes. I can say maximum 10 minutes you're done with your press-on nails and you're good to go. So as I was saying, you buff your nails gently. Please don't rough handle so that you won't injure yourself. So after that, I use the cuticle pusher to push back the my cuticles. So I use the cuticle pusher to push back my cuticles gently. As I mentioned, everything you have to do it gently. So push your cuticles back so that your nails can be able to, not so that your nails won't be on the flesh. Do you understand? It will be under your cuticle. So you are pushing it back gently using the cuticle pusher. Then after that, I just take my alcohol. So next, I just grab my alcohol bottle, apply some onto the cotton wool, then clean off my nails. You know, while we're buffing, we already have some dust that came off, so we're using the cotton wools and alcohol to clean off. And also, natural nails tends to like secrete some oil. Yeah, natural nails kind of oily, so this alcohol pad helps to remove any oil on our nails, even though we might not be able to see it, but yeah, it does. Pad and the alcohol and cotton wool, when you use it together, it helps to remove excess oil on your nails and get your nails ready for the press-on nails. Like, and you can see my nails are, so there are some days you just don't want to like maybe wear press-on nails, so my nails are even very neat and ready to work on. So the next thing is me using this adhesive tab. So I started from my ring finger because I brought out the smallest size of the adhesive tab. So yeah, I just applied that on my ring finger, try to get a bigger size for my thumb, use that. Then there's a protector that comes on with the adhesive tab, so you just gently remove before you apply your press-on nails. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I remove the protector gently, then stick on my press-on nail, push it back and hold it down for like 5 seconds. So you can see that, guys, very easy. So again, I try to check the other sizes that would like be okay for the other nails, sorry. So I just stick on the adhesive tab, then after that you remove the protector gently. So I just repeat the same process for my other nails. Remove the adhesive tab, stick it on to your natural nail, gently remove the protector, and after that stick on your press-on nails. It's very easy. Gently stick it on, then press down for like 5 seconds to make it like very tight and hard, so it won't just fall off anytime. So I just love using this adhesive tab because adhesive tab is like, it's cool if you don't want to wear the nails for a very long time. Do you understand? And you can reuse the nails. That's just one advantage of even using the adhesive tab. You can reuse the nails for as long as you want. So an adhesive tab is good if you just want to wear your nails for like a day or two. Yeah, so you can use adhesive tab. But for a longer wear, then you go for the glue. But because I'm just using this nail like for a tutorial, and I don't have it in mind to wear it for long because I still want to change nails. Do you understand? Using the adhesive tab, you can use different kinds of nail at different time. Do you understand? And you can still reuse it at a later date. So you can see, guys, very easy. Within few minutes I'm done and my nails, I'm ready to slay. So guys, thank you for watching. It's so easy to do. If you'd like to make a purchase, my link to my Instagram page is in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the like button as well. Also guys, when you make an order, your nail box comes with a kotokoposha, a buffer, nail glue, adhesive tab as well, so it's very easy to get it done. So what I'm doing right now is apply some cuticle oil around my nails, and God, guys, can you just see my nails like ready to slay? Guys, just take a look. So that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click on the like button. See you guys in my next video. Bye.